The next point for this radiation is Stefan Boltzmann law. Stefan Boltzmann law. It states that total energy emitted per unit area per unit time by a black body is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. So it is indicated by the mathematical equation, that is capital E suffix B, that is MSV power of black body, is proportional to the absolute temperature raised to 4, right? So it can be written as E suffix B with equal sign with proportionality constant as a sigma into T raised to 4. Total energy emitted per unit area per unit time. So this part is nothing but the MSU power by a black body. That is why it is indicated by small b. Is directly proportional, so proportional sign, to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. So this T is absolute temperature. This EB is MSU power. Of black body, and this sigma is nothing but proportionality constant, and it is called as Stefan Boltzmann constant. Right? So the value of this sigma is fixed, that is why it is called as constant. So it is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. So this proportionality constant is having value, that is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. So you can understand how this unit comes. So that is depending on the EB upon T raised to 4. So the unit of EB is watt per meter square, and this T raised to 4, that is why it is Kelvin raised to 4. So this is one of the law in the radiation, that is called as Stefan Boltzmann law. And for non-black body, E upon EB is equal to E. It is the relation, that is MSU power of non-black body to the MSU power of black body is equal to small e. Now this small e is nothing but the emissivity. So it is called as emissivity, and capital E is MSU power of non-black body. Capital E suffix B is MSU power of black body. So it is another relation where we can understand this E can be written as small e into EB. Now this EB can be replaced here. So this equation becomes small e into sigma T raised to 4, right? So this is the equation from the Stefan Boltzmann law, that is capital E can be calculated as small e, that is emissivity, into sigma into T raised to 4. And the basic Stefan-Boltzmann law is MSE power of a black body is proportional to the 4th power of absolute temperature. Thank you.